Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today you can learn how to transfer everything to a new SSD for laptop SSD upgrade. The first thing you need to do is connect this new SSD to your computer. If there is only one slot on the motherboard, get external enclosure to build the connection. Okay, now open the disk management. At this point, you should see both drives. If your new SSD is brand new, you will get the initialize prompt. Now go to check your old SSD partition style, and select the same one for the new SSD. If your computer's boot mode is Legacy BIOS, select MBR as the partition style. Alright, it is recommended to add a new simple volume to the new SSD. Just follow the steps as shown in the video. Now, let's go to move all data to the new SSD. The simple copy and paste will end up with the system issues. The proper way is to clone the entire disk. iSunshare CloneGo is used here for the disk cloning. This software makes it easier to transfer everything from original SSD to the new one, including the Windows OS and other data. You can download to have a try. Open iSunshare CloneGo and select the disk clone mode. And here, select the old drive as the source, and set the new SSD as the target. Once that's set, click the Start button. Then just click Yes and let it run. This can take a while depending on how much data you have. Alright, the clone is done. Finally, you can turn off the laptop and swap the drive.